Are you looking for the best under-desk treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best under-desk treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Daeyegim Quiet LED Remote Treadmill. This treadmill's quiet while you run on it, which is a major bonus if you plan on using it around working roommates, a sleeping baby, or during Zoom meetings. Available in 0.5 to 5 miles per hour speed levels. This walking-only treadmill will allow you to select different speeds based on your fitness goals. Just a few minutes of use at a brisk speed also helps improve your cardiovascular fitness and burn fat. Want to speed up without bending over to adjust the level? This tread comes with a remote control, so you can safely and easily move from a fast walk to a light jog with the click of a button. The major selling point here is the LED screen, which measures distance and the amount of calories burned from beginning to end. Plus, it features a large display, so it looks super high-tech. Number 2. Sunny Health Foldable Manual Walking Treadmill. It's a miracle that Sunny Health was able to pack so many features into this treadmill. It's foldable, offers an incline up to 13%, tracks distance and calories, and, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, it does it all without a plug. It slides discreetly under your standing desk thanks to its foldability, and it also doubles as a heavy-duty treadmill with help from detachable handlebars that provide additional support while you exercise. You can attach the LCC monitor that comes with the tread, which allows you to track time, speed, distance, and calories burned. It also has an available scan option, so you can easily flip through your previous performance data. Equipped with heavy-duty floor stabilizers, reviewers say they never feel wobbly or unbalanced, even on uneven floors. Even when walking at an incline, they don't get the speed wobbles. Number 3. Daeyegim 2-inch-1 Walking Pad Desk Treadmill. One of the more budget-friendly options on the list, this walking pad from Daeyegim features an LCD display and includes a remote, so you can conveniently adjust your speed mid-workout. At just over 19 inches wide, it will also easily fit under most desks and roll out of the way when you're done working out. Reviewers also love that this treadmill requires zero setup. All you have to do is unpack it, plug it in, and sync it with the remote. In total, users say it takes about 5 minutes. Lovers of this tread also say that if you're looking for something without all the bells and whistles, look no further than this model. Made exclusively for people who want to walk or jog without any complicated additions or screens, this machine gets the job done. While this treadmill doesn't fold, it's still small enough that reviewers easily lean it against the wall, or store it under your bed if you're tight on space, like us New Yorkers. Number 4. Goplus 3-inch-1 Treadmill. This tread is another one with a high maximum speed. It gets up to 7.5 miles per hour, so it allows you to get a more intense running or jogging workout in. When it's time to get to work, just attach the arms and acrylic desk. Yup, a desk comes with this one. The WH team loves that you don't need a separate desk in order to use it. This machine also comes with a handy phone holder, so you can simply prop yourself up to watch your fave show, or FaceTime your bestie throughout your entire workout. When your sweat sesh is all done, just fold this up and use its flexible wheels to store it somewhere discreet. Think, under your bed, behind your desk, or beneath your couch. When you want to use it again, setting it up takes less than a minute. Could upping your daily steps get any easier? Didn't think so. Number 5. Egofit Walker Pro Under Desk Treadmill. If you live in a small apartment, hi, New Yorkers, you need a treadmill that won't take up any of your precious space. This one from Egofit is perfect. Specially designed to sit pretty under a standing desk. You'll barely even notice it's there with its small yet mighty build. As an added bonus, it comes with wheels so you can move it around your space without scraping up the floors, or, more importantly, hurting your back. Few under-desk treadmills offer an incline, but Egofit's does. The slight 5% hill on this cardio machine will add a little extra burn to your workout without you even noticing. Plus, you can get it going at a speed of up to 3.1 miles per hour. While you can't run on this tread, reviewers say that the incline boost can get you sweating. Anyway, reviewers also love that this walking treadmill is super sturdy. It's constructed with durable and solid materials to provide stability, and can hold up to 220 pounds. Despite its ability to hold weight, it doesn't feel too heavy when people move it around.